Welcome to the world of precision and clarity. Welcome to the future of cleaning. Ever experienced cleaning stubborn rust, grime or mold or grease residue that clings to your prized possessions, buildings or machinery? We are pioneers in advanced laser cleaning solutions. We transform the old, the worn out, the rusted, into something almost magically new and pristine. Using state-of-the-art laser technology, we remove dirt, rust, and grime from any surface, breathing new life into old items. Our process is efficient, environmentally friendly, and preserves the original material, no matter how delicate. Whether industrial, commercial, or residential, advanced laser restoration is your ultimate solution for all your laser cleaning needs. Experience the future of cleaning today. Advanced laser restoration. Precision. Efficiency. Brilliance. Call us now or visit our website today to book your laser cleaning appointment. Advanced laser restoration. Cleaning at the speed of light.